Question 1, maximum mark 5. The front view of a doghouse is made up of a square with an isosceles triangle on top. The doghouse is 1.35 meters high and 0.9 meters wide, and it sits on a square base. The top of the rectangular surfaces of the roof of the doghouse are to be painted. Find the area to be painted. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by looking at the information and saying, right, this rectangle is the part that's going to be painted, and I'm going to redraw it over here just to keep track of what's happening. Okay, let's make sure nobody's escaping. We know that the base is 0.9 meters wide, but we don't know how tall it is. That's this side here. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to blow it up a little bit more down here. Likewise, put some labels on it. This is our isosceles triangle. This is 0.9 meters. So the first thing we may need to do is work out the height of this triangle. So the height is going to be 1.35, which is the total height, minus 0.9, which is 0.45. That's going to be our first mark, 1. Now, by using this, what we actually have is we have a second right angle triangle. So we have this triangle now, that's here, where we've got 0.45 and 0.45. Let's make that look like 4. So we're now going to use Pythagoras Theorem to find out the value of x. So x is going to be equal to the square root of 0.45 squared plus 0.45 squared, which is going to give us a magic value of the square root of 0.405. So now this, because I'm going to be multiplying, I'm not going to round off, so we've got 0.045. I'm just going to add a blank page. So back to our rectangle, we have 0.9 and square root of 405. We're going to multiply those together, so we have 0.9 times 405. Let's do that on the calculator. We're going to do enter square root of 0.05, enter, and we're going to times that by 0.9. which gives us a total area of 0.527 square meters at this stage, but we have 2 sides to this house. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our 0.527, we're going to multiply that by 2, times that by 2. Notice I haven't rounded my answers yet, which gives us a value of 1.14551299 meters squared. 3 significant figures, 1.15 meters squared. So let's just review quickly. So we have a method mark for finding the height of the triangle. We'll have a method mark for the use of Pythagoras. We will have an answer mark for the square root of this. There will be a method mark for multiplying the whole thing by 2, and then an answer mark, which is going to give us our 5 marks.